Hi, in this video let us see how to create an infographic in ArcGIS Pro. Here you see we already have loaded three shapefiles of three districts over here. Now let us go and create an infographic by clicking on the map and then clicking on Infographics button over here. Next click on a state shapefile to see the infographics for. Let's click on California first. Here we have the key facts loaded in the infographic now. Here we can see key facts, education, business, employment, and income by households over here. To go for another template, click on the drop down box of the template over here and click on any one of the templates. Let's go for skyscraper now. Here we have the infographics load for skyscrapers. Here we have housing, key demographic facts, and the employment by white collar and an unemployment rate. To know more about one of the features, click on explore more to create the independent graphs, and we can even apply filters or select method to filter, or we can even sort the table descending, or if you choose to print. Now to start comparing one of the template to another, click on compare button over here to start comparing and click OK. Now move this infographic pane away and then click on another shapefile to create a comparison for. Now you see the comparisons between California and Iowa has been created. Another method to add a feature for comparison is by clicking on add features over here and then layer and then click on another feature. Now you see another feature has been added. To create a benchmark for showing comparisons, click on this option over here and then click on make benchmark. Now you see the benchmark has been created for comparison with this infographic. Now to create a template of variables on your own, drop down box and click on this my variables over here. Now since we haven't added any variables, it's going to be empty. Now to add variables, click on the settings icon over here and then click on this plus button to add my variables. Here you can see a wide range of categories that you can create infographics for. For now, let's go to housing, common housing, and then use this three thing to create an infographic and then click on OK. Now if you want to create buffer for the parameters of point features, you can use a straight line, driving distance, walking time, and then create a distance and then use the units also for linear features as well. Now let's click on OK to start viewing the infographics of our own variables. Now you see the infographics has been created for our variables now. Here you can see the total housing units and then the total affordability index and then the designed housing units for everything. Now to print or export this infographics, we can click on this icon over here and then choose options. If you want to add a header, you can type a header and then given header, and then you can use a data source or add a header and then click on print. Or otherwise you can export this by clicking on this arrow icon over here, the same as that. You can either export this as a PDF or a HTML or a dynamic HTML. Dynamic HTML is an interactive HTML, so add header or add data source or add footer and then click on export. So this is how we have to create an infographic in ArcGIS Pro.